Welcome to our comprehensive step-by-step guide on effective communication. In today's fast-paced world, the ability to communicate effectively is essential for success in both personal and professional spheres. Whether you're navigating social interactions, collaborating with colleagues, or expressing your ideas and opinions, mastering the art of communication is key to building strong relationships and achieving your goals. Step 1. Understanding the importance of effective communication. Effective communication serves as the bedrock of successful interactions, both personally and professionally. It transcends mere information exchange, encompassing the ability to actively listen, comprehend diverse viewpoints, and articulate thoughts with clarity. When communication is lacking, misunderstandings abound, conflicts escalate, and relationships falter. Recognizing the pivotal role of effective communication empowers individuals to forge deeper connections, foster collaboration, and attain their objectives more efficiently. In essence, effective communication is the conduit through which ideas are shared, relationships are built, and goals are achieved. It underpins every facet of human interaction, from casual conversations to high-stakes negotiations. By understanding its significance, individuals can cultivate stronger bonds, navigate challenges adeptly, and thrive in both personal and professional spheres. Furthermore, effective communication extends beyond mere verbal exchanges. It encompasses non-verbal cues such as body language and tone of voice, which convey nuances of meaning. Mastery of these elements enhances one's ability to connect authentically, build trust, and engender mutual understanding. Hence, effective communication is a multifaceted skill set that empowers individuals to navigate the complexities of human interaction with finesse and confidence. By honing their communication abilities, individuals can unlock new opportunities, foster deeper connections, and navigate life's challenges with grace and proficiency. Step 2. Active listening and empathy. Active listening is more than just hearing. It's about fully engaging with the speaker and understanding their perspective. It involves giving your undivided attention, maintaining eye contact, and demonstrating empathy through verbal and nonverbal cues. By actively listening, you show respect for the speaker and validate their thoughts and feelings, fostering trust and connection. Empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, is closely intertwined with active listening. It requires putting yourself in the speaker's shoes and seeing the situation from their point of view. Empathetic listening involves not only understanding the speaker's words, but also recognizing their emotions and acknowledging their experiences. Together, active listening and empathy create a powerful foundation for effective communication. They enable you to grasp the deeper meaning behind the speaker's words, uncovering unspoken emotions and needs. By practicing active listening and empathy, you can strengthen your relationships, resolve conflicts more effectively, and foster a supportive and collaborative environment. Step 3. Communicating clearly and concisely. In effective communication, clarity and conciseness are paramount. Clarity ensures that your message is easily understood by the intended audience, while conciseness helps to keep communication efficient and to the point. When communicating, strive to convey your message in a clear and straightforward manner, avoiding ambiguity or confusion. To achieve clarity, focus on organizing your thoughts and ideas before communicating them. Consider the main points you want to convey and the most effective way to structure your message. Use simple and precise language, avoiding jargon or complex terminology that may obscure your meaning. Conciseness involves expressing your message succinctly, without unnecessary elaboration or repetition. Be mindful of the listener's time and attention span, and strive to communicate your message efficiently. Avoid rambling or going off on tangents, and instead get straight to the point. By prioritizing clarity and conciseness in your communication, you can ensure that your message is effectively received and understood by others. Whether delivering a presentation, writing an email, or engaging in a conversation, clarity and conciseness are essential skills that can enhance your communication effectiveness. Step 4. Practicing empathetic communication. Empathetic communication is a vital skill that involves understanding and empathizing with the thoughts, feelings, and experiences of others. It goes beyond simply listening to words. It requires tuning into the emotions underlying those words and responding with compassion and understanding. To practice empathetic communication, start by actively listening to the speaker and observing their nonverbal cues, such as facial expressions and body language. Pay attention to the emotions they are expressing and try to put yourself in their shoes to understand their perspective fully. Once you have gained insight into the speaker's feelings and experiences, respond with empathy and compassion. Acknowledge their emotions and validate their experiences, letting them know that you understand and care about how they are feeling. Avoid judgment or criticism and instead focus on offering support and understanding. Reflect back what you have heard to ensure that you have understood the speaker correctly and to show that you are genuinely engaged in the conversation. By practicing empathetic communication, you can build trust and rapport with others, strengthen your relationships, and foster a supportive and inclusive environment where everyone feels heard and valued. Step 5. Resolving conflicts constructively. Conflict is a natural part of any relationship, but how it is handled can make a significant difference in the outcome. Constructive conflict resolution involves addressing disagreements and differences in a respectful and collaborative manner, with the goal of finding mutually beneficial solutions. To resolve conflicts constructively, start by acknowledging the issue and openly discussing it with the other party involved. Be willing to listen to their perspective and validate their feelings, even if you don't agree with them. Focus on finding common ground and exploring potential solutions together. Brainstorm ideas and be open to compromise, recognizing that both parties may need to make concessions to reach a resolution. Maintain open and honest communication throughout the process, expressing your thoughts and feelings calmly and assertively. Avoid blaming or criticizing the other person, and instead focus on problem solving and finding a resolution that meets both of your needs. Be willing to apologize if necessary and take responsibility for your part in the conflict. Apologizing doesn't mean admitting fault. It simply acknowledges the impact your actions may have had on the other person and shows your commitment to repairing the relationship. By resolving conflicts constructively, you can strengthen your relationships, build trust and mutual respect, and create a more harmonious and supportive environment for everyone involved. Step 6. Honing your nonverbal communication skills. Nonverbal communication plays a crucial role in effective communication, often conveying more meaning than words alone. To hone your nonverbal communication skills, start by becoming more aware of your body language, facial expressions, gestures, and tone of voice. Practice maintaining open and attentive body language, such as making eye contact, nodding, and leaning forward slightly to show interest and engagement. Pay attention to your facial expressions, ensuring they match the message you are conveying verbally. Experiment with using gestures to emphasize key points and enhance your communication. Practice speaking with a clear and confident tone of voice, adjusting your volume, pitch, and pace as needed to convey your message effectively. Finally, remember that nonverbal communication is a two-way street. Be attentive to the nonverbal cues of others, such as their body language and facial expressions, to better understand their thoughts and feelings. By honing your nonverbal communication skills, you can become a more effective and persuasive communicator in both your personal and professional life. Conclusion: effective communication is a skill that can be learned and mastered with practice and dedication. By understanding the importance of communication, developing active listening skills, communicating clearly and concisely, practicing empathetic communication, resolving conflicts constructively, and honing nonverbal communication skills, individuals can become more confident and effective communicators. Whether in personal or professional settings, effective communication is essential for building strong relationships, fostering collaboration, and achieving success. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content on communication skills and personal development. Share your experiences with effective communication in the comments below. And remember, with practice and dedication, you can become a more confident and effective communicator in all aspects of your life. Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips from us and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.